So this video is about what you should do once you are accepted into the Temu Influencer Program. These are the next steps for you to do. I'll recommend that you go through your Temu Influencer Dashboard so that you would understand, everything. Just try to take few minutes to get familiar with the dashboard, know what each button is for. Your influencer button, your post, share, invite, and earnings button. Okay. So once you do that, I trust is going to help your process. Now, getting coins is the first thing. There are little tasks they'll ask you to do so that you can get your first set of coins as a Temu influencer. Go ahead and do that because that's the coins you're going to use to be able to get samples. These samples, when they come to you, or items, when they come to you, you're required to use them to create content and even get more coins from them. Once your video is approved, you get more coins from them, and you also earn, from that video. You earn both cash and coins. Now, for you to earn coins, join campaigns. Okay, to join campaigns, click on posts. When you click on posts, you would see explore new campaigns to post. There are so many campaigns available. Click on view more. Once you click on view more, you see there are so many, so many, so many. Just go through them and know the one you can, follow. Now, these campaigns can be about you making a video, some can be about you making a poster. Okay. Anyone you're comfortable with or you feel you can do, just go ahead and do it. And I'll use this first one to explain. Now, let's say I want to join the invite to earn campaign. I click on it. And once I click on it, they are going to give you the do's and don'ts of how you are going to do this video. They will literally guide you. Look at guide for post. They show you what to do, not truly. The guide is just to help guide whatever it is you're going to say on your video or on the poster you're required to do. Now, from the heading, you would see that it's indicated what the campaign is about. If it is a poster campaign, it will be indicated there. If it is a video campaign, it will be indicated there. For this one, it is a video campaign. So they show you the on-screen text, the caption, everything that needs to be shown. When you click on see how to show it, you see they'll show you what you need to do, how to show your code and everything. Just go through it and make sure you follow all the details, because if you don't, your video might not be approved, and if your video is not approved, you're not earning. Okay, read the guide for your post. Just take your time, absorb everything, and make sure you say everything right. They even go ahead to show you examples of creators that have done the video, just so that you can get the hang of it and know the right thing to do. Click on the detail requirement, the do's and don'ts, and just try to follow everything that has been shown to you here. And I assure you, once you do that, you're definitely going to get approved videos or approved posts. So right here, they tell you what you stand to gain, when your video is approved. For here, you see what I have to gain. This particular post, if I join, this is what I have to gain. So once you click on add to list, okay, let's click on add to list. It's added to what I want to do. If I want to come back to it, later, maybe when I've done the post, I want to submit my link, click on manage. All right. Once I click on manage, I go to be submitted in this area. You see, that's why I say you should take your time to study your dashboard so that you understand. So once I go to be submitted, you will see that the campaign is already added for me here and waiting for me to submit. So I click on submit, and here on the Temu Influencer Program, you're required to post on two places. One is your authorized account or social media platform, the one you authorize, either your TikTok, so YouTube or Instagram. And then the other one is the secondary platform, any other platform that you have that meets the requirements. For me, I'm authorized on TikTok, and then I have a YouTube that is up to 500 plus subscribers. So I post on those two platforms. Okay. Now, once I post on my authorized social media platform, it even indicates here what I stand to gain. Click on the box and then put the link, copy the link of that video and submit it here. Click submit. Now, when you post on the secondary platform, be it Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, I click on the link as well, and then you submit it. They also tell you what you stand to gain. When you submit on your secondary platform, you only paid in seeding balance, okay? Whereas when you submit on your authorized platform, you're paid in cash and seeding balance. So that is how you earn, and you also increase your seeding balance for samples on the Temu Influencer Program. I hope this video has been able to help you, a bit. It might not be able to help 100%, but you're going to get the hang of it once you spend a little time to study your Temu Influencer Dashboard. Trust me on that. So take that little time to do that, and I'm sure you're going to be happy you did. All right. Thank you for watching, and bye.